Have you ever found yourself wondering how to ensure the best care for your loved ones following a stroke? The transition from hospital or rehab facility to home can be daunting, often leaving us feeling overwhelmed and uncertain. This is where Stroke Rehab Co. steps in, offering a beacon of hope and reassurance during these challenging times. Stroke Rehab Co. specializes in providing top-notch, personalized stroke rehabilitation services right in the comfort of your own home. Our team of certified professionals is dedicated to helping your loved ones regain their strength, independence, and quality of life. We understand the unique challenges each stroke survivor faces and tailor our approach to meet their specific needs and goals. Our services are as broad as they are comprehensive, encompassing everything from physiotherapy assessments, individualized treatment programs, exercise prescriptions, to appreciate equipment recommendations. We also offer invaluable support and education for families, ensuring you are well equipped to help your loved ones on their journey to recovery. And we're not just limited to one area. Our coverage extends across the length and breadth of the region, from Soshanguve to Santon, Waterkloof, Pretoria to Waterfall City, Sunning Hill to Soweto, Morningside to Mabopane, Rosebank to Rivoli, Acacia to Alexander, Rivonia to Rudaport, Killarney to Kagiso, and Centurion to Constantia Kloof. No matter where you are, rest assured that Stroke Rehab Co. is ready to serve you. Booking an appointment with us is as easy as it gets. Simply send a WhatsApp or call us on 072 273 7287. Alternatively, you can schedule an appointment through our website at www.strokerehabinc.com. Remember, stroke recovery is a journey, and it's one that you don't have to navigate alone. With Stroke Rehab Co. by your side, you can face the future with confidence, knowing that your loved ones are receiving the best care possible. Stroke Rehab Co., because we believe in empowering stroke survivors and their families one step at a time.